Hello and welcome to my channel, Miss Callie in GA, the library in the know. Miss Callie in GA. Hey, hey, Miss Callie in GA. Hey, hey. Excuse my little cowboy bandana, but I am in a building. It's my office. It's a little messy. I'm still putting my touches on it. Um, but I wanted to do this video inside of my office because we're back in the building, hence my little cowboy bandana. Uh, my little cowboy bandana going on here. So we're back in the building and people are coming in and out of the media center. So I wanted to make the video in my office so no one would come in and out. As always, I can't spin the printer. I was going to spin around and do my little effects. But before I start this video, remember to subscribe. But if you look, which way would it be on? This side, if you're on the desktop, it would be a cool little picture of me. If you click that, it'll give you a link to subscribe. The little thing pops up. So I've been working, like I told you, on my YouTube skills. So today's video is called What's in the Box, because it'll be part of the series where I will unbox new library orders. So we have a small box from Follett today. And I really don't know what's in the box. So it's going to be a surprise for the both of us because I made this order. I think this is my subscription box where every Follett has a subscription program where you can pick different books like nonfiction, YA, current events, and stuff like that. And then every month you'll get a box. So it's a no-brainer. You can go and edit the books that you choose. I don't think I edited the first two that I've got because I didn't know about it. But now that I do go in and try to edit and make sure that the ones that I pick are more culturally diverse, because that's my biggest goal as a media specialist, is to build a diverse collection. I'm going to try to put a card in here at the top that will link you to my grad school final project that I did, explaining the importance of a culturally diverse collection. So hopefully that will be on this video. If it's not, I will link it at the bottom in the description. So let's get into what's in the box. Little paper. And let me see. This is a part of my subscription. This is my, I don't know which one this one is. But like I said, we don't have all day because I really have stuff to do. Oh, this is my December subscription. So let's see. We've got paper. This is going to add to the mess in my office. So here we go. We have, I think it's like 6 books. We have The Race Car, which is a nonfiction book, how an outcast driver, an American heiress, and a legendary car challenged Hitler's best. So I guess they're racing. We have All the Things We Never Knew. And masterfully bounces and slams 2 hearts up and a down, a shrouded court of first love and revelations. This is a fiction book. Tamani masterfully bounces and slams 2 hearts up and down, a shrouded court of first love and revelations. A hard to put down backboard breaker, says Rita Williams Garcia, the National Book Award finalist and New York Times best-selling author. So that's this one. Ooh, that one's fiction. Oh, we're hitting the 4-minute mark. Let me go. Come on in. 15 stories about immigration and finding home. Actually, I think I did go in and edit these to make sure they were more diverse. Hope, Kind, Love, Gaga. Born This Way Foundation reporters with Lady Gaga. Stories of kindness and community. Channel kindness. So yes, one small act of kindness can change the world. Flip through this real quick. Oh, they're cute little quotes and things that real world people did. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at this. Make this. I'm gonna do a little section back where you can just chill, almost like a coffee table-ish vibe. And that book might go on that table when it's unchecked out. And last but not least, Sky Hunter. This is by Marie Lu, and I also wanted to get Arthur's, because the important thing about making a culturally diverse collection is that you have to pay attention to not just do the book have minority characters, but also have to pay attention to the authors. So if you, so that way we can make sure they um, respectfully and are culturally accurate depictions of the community. So yes, so I did have to make sure that it's not by accident that I'm getting more minority authors in here. So a push for that. So thank you for joining the first episode of What's in the Box. Remember to subscribe. So watch the video, like the video, share the video, get the books. Actually, the books I will put in the description, and I always order from Follett Titlewave. But if you're interested in any of the books, I'm sure you can find them at Barnes and Nobles and other places. So you have a great day, and thanks for joining me in the first episode of What's in the Box. Oh, that worked out perfectly. What's in? Look what I did. Y'all have a great day. Once again, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in to my channel, Miss Callie in GA, the librarian that knows. And today she knew how to open up a box and get books out. Y'all have a great day. Goodbye.